Hello, everybody. I'm going to do an unpacking video today. I've always wanted to do it because it keeps popping up on YouTube. Normally, AliExpress sells penis extenders. There are a lot of devices, of course, you've seen them. We also use the penile traction device after penis enlargement operations. The penis traction device ensures that the penis does not go back and stick again after penile lengthening surgery. I will show one of these. It is a very simple device. In fact, the logic of the device consists entirely of pulling the soft penis. Do not confuse this with a penis vacuum pump. This pulls the penis downwards. These penile traction devices are actually the most principled, because they have been used since time immemorial. Now you'll see what it is. It's a very simple mechanism. The penis is pulled by attaching a weight. And here's the logic. The device sold on AliExpress has a weight ball like this, as you can see here. They made this weight ball very cheap. As you can see, it came right out of here. You attach this weight ball to the penis in a very simple way. There is one more apparatus here. It wraps around the penis, as you can see here. Of course, there is also the possibility of injuring yourself with these, friends. Let me be frank. This device tightens the penis like shoelaces. You pass the penis through here. You pass the penis through here like this. Then you tighten it from here like this. Which is actually not a very thin device. After tightening it like this, you attach this device to the end of it. What does it do here? It's pretty cheap. It makes it hang down like this. Friends, it allows the penis to hang down with a certain weight. And ultimately applies a pulling force to the penis. When you do this continuously, for 2 to 3 hours a day, after a certain period of time, the penis has to lengthen. Obviously, we recommend this after the penis lengthening operation. But there are scientific publications. I have made other videos about this before. If you apply it daily for 2 to 3 hours, you will achieve a permanent enlargement of the penis after a certain period of time. But of course it requires a lot of patience. You need to do this application around 3 to 6 months to the penis. And you need to do it carefully. You need to apply this without damaging the penis. Otherwise, permanent damage can be done to the penis. Scientific studies say that it is much more successful than the penis vacuum pump. I even made a video about a publication. To put it briefly, a penis prosthesis is attached to the patient. After the penis prosthesis, the penis length shortens. The patient is obsessed with this issue. He wants his penis to be longer. The patient first applies the penis vacuum pump. Daily 20 minutes, 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes in the evening. After 2 months of application, there is no change in the penis. Afterwards, the penile traction device is applied to the patient between 3 to 6 hours daily, together with a penis vacuum pump. After 3 months, an elongation of about 1.5 centimeters is achieved in the penis. This gives the patient the chance to replace the penile prosthesis with a longer one. As I said, this is the most principled one among penile traction devices. As you can see here, there is a weight ball. This one has a sheath that wraps the penis. These are always being sold on AliExpress, friends. Apart from that, there are other kinds of penis traction devices. You can also see them there. Their prices are not so expensive. But as I said, before applying them, be sure to consult a urology doctor. Ask your questions in your head. Because I have also received many patients who did manual penis lengthening movements and damaged their penis. It's easy to find how to do online. They learn how to do it on their own and try to lengthen the penis. But as I said, disability can occur. There were patients who came with permanent damage. These are also very difficult to fix, friends. It is very difficult to recover permanent penile damage in a surgical application or anything we will do. These are different damages than Peyronie's disease. In general, this is how penis lengthening devices. Thank you for listening. Best regards.